A hardworking employee is ignored for promotion, not because of poor performance, but because of one wrong judgment. Today, we will uncover the perceptual errors behind such decisions. These mistakes are called perceptual errors. They happen when we judge people incorrectly. Welcome to Management in Minutes. Perceptual errors can occur in different forms. In organizational behavior, the most common perceptual errors are the halo effect, horn effect, stereotyping, selective perception, and the primacy effect, also known as the first impression. Let us now understand each of these with simple workplace examples. The halo effect occurs when one positive trait of a person influences our overall perception of them. For example, if an employee is very well spoken, a manager may assume that the employee is also intelligent, hard work, and efficient, even without evidence. Here, one good quality creates a halo around the person. Exam tip: halo effect equals to one positive trait means overall positive judgment. The horn effect is the opposite of the halo effect. Here, one negative trait leads to a complete negative perception. For example, if an employee makes a mistake during a presentation, the manager may label them as careless or incompetent. One mistake affects the entire judgment. Exam tip: horn effect equals to one negative trait means overall negative judgment. Stereotyping. Stereotyping occurs when we judge a person based on the group they belong to rather than their individual behavior. For example, assuming that young employees are careless or older employees are slow to adapt to technology. Such generalizations can lead to unfair decisions in the workplace. Exam tip: stereotyping equals to judging individuals based on group membership. Selective perception. Selective perception means noticing only information that supports our existing beliefs. For example, a manager who believes an employee is inefficient may focus only on that employee's mistakes and ignores their achievements. This leads to biased evaluation. Exam tip: selective perception equals to seeing only what supports existing beliefs. Primacy effect. The primacy effect refers to the tendency to give too much importance to first impression. When we form an initial opinion about a person, it strongly influences how we judge them later. For example, if an employee performs very well in their first presentation, managers may continue to view them positively, even if their later performance is average. Exam tip: primacy effect equals to first impression influences future judgments. Understanding perception is important not only in organizations but also in our personal lives. In organizations, correct perception helps managers make fair decisions, reduce conflicts, and improve teamwork. At an individual level, understanding perception helps us become more open-minded, empathetic, and respectful. It teaches us not to judge people quickly and to see situations from different viewpoints. In this way, perception helps us become better employees and better human beings. Perceptual errors can lead to unfair appraisals, poor decision making, and workplace conflicts. They reduce objectivity and damage employee morale. Therefore, managers must be aware of these biases. Managers can reduce perceptual errors by gathering complete information, avoiding quick judgments, being self-aware of personal biases, using objective performance criteria. Awareness is the first step towards fair perception. To conclude, perceptual errors occur when judgments are based on incomplete and biased information. Understanding these errors helps managers make fair and effective decisions. Together with perception, this concept is very important in organizational behavior. Thank you for watching Management in Minutes.